Hello my friends, welcome back to Pinterest class, and today I have another sound. This sound is known as sound k, k, k. Now sound k comes from letter C. I want you to know that sound k sounds like sound k of letter K. Yes, they have the same sound. Let's go to the blends. First one is ka, k, ko, ka, and ku. Okay, let's now go to the word formation. Some sounds are silent in some words. Yes, so the first word is k, k, and the last sound is silent. So it's cake, cake, a cake. Then the next one is cage, and the last sound is silent, so it's going to be cage, cage, a cage. I hope you know what a cage is as it is shown on the screen. Then the next one is going to be carrot, carrot, a carrot. Yes, we have the word carrot. Then the next one, cat, a cat, that friend of yours. Then the next word is cup, cup. So we get the word cup, a cup. And the last word is going to be cab, cab, a cab. Yes, a cab. Well, let's go now to the sentences. The first one is rabbits eat carrots. Rabbits eat carrots. And then the next one, the cat is in the cab. The cat is in the cab. Yes. And the last one, the cup is on the table. The cup is on the table. Well, my friends, that's it for sound. I hope you practice and master this sound. We hope to see you in our next video, and for now we're saying ciao ciao.